This 2024 Alliance RV Paradigm 310RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, TV, refrigerator, water heater, oven, smoke detector, microwave, external shower, slide-out, spare tire kit, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Alliance RV Paradigm 310RL is 12,243 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.